Mark, I have to ask you something personal.
Okay. What is it?
When you speak English now, do you translate from your native language first?
No, not anymore.
You think directly in English.
Yes, it just comes out naturally now.
I'm so jealous. I still translate everything in my head.
I used to do the same thing
Really? For how long?
for 3 years. 3 full years of translating every single sentence.
3 years? That's a long time.
It was exhausting, Sarah. Every conversation felt like hard work.
I know that feeling. My brain gets so tired.
Exactly. By the end of a conversation, my head would hurt.
So when did it stop? When did you stop translating?
I remember the exact moment.
The exact moment.
Yes, I'll never forget it. It was October 15th, about 18 months ago.
Tell me everything.
I was at a coffee shop. I go there every morning to study.
Okay.
That day, I was sitting at my usual table, working on my laptop, drinking coffee.
Mm-hmm.
A woman came over. She looked lost. She said, "Excuse me, do you know where the library is?"
A simple question.
Very simple, but something strange happened.
What?
I answered her immediately, without thinking.
You didn't translate?
I didn't translate. The words just came out. Yes, it's 2 blocks down. Turn left at the bank.
Just like that?
Just like that. And then I froze.
You froze?
I sat there for a moment, and I realized I didn't translate. Not even once.
How did that feel?
Sarah, I almost cried right there in the coffee shop.
Really?
Really. Because for 3 years, I had been struggling. Every sentence was work. And suddenly, it just happened naturally.
That must have been incredible.
It was. I remember calling my mom that night. I told her, "Mom, something amazing happened today."
What did she say?
She said, "What happened?" And I told her the whole story. She was so proud.
That's beautiful.
It was a turning point. After that day, things changed.
Changed how?
English stopped feeling like a foreign language. It started feeling natural.
But Mark, how did you get to that point? What did you do?
That's what everyone asks. And honestly, I'm not sure I did anything special.
There must have been something.
Looking back now, I think it was a combination of things.
Tell me.
First, I had been practicing consistently for 3 years. Every single day.
3 years of daily practice?
Yes. Listening, speaking, reading. Every day. No breaks.
That's dedication.
It didn't feel like dedication at the time. It just became part of my life.
Like brushing your teeth.
Exactly. I didn't think about it. I just did it.
What else?
Second, I had stopped trying to translate perfectly.
What do you mean?
In the beginning, I wanted every sentence to be perfect in my head before speaking.
You wanted to translate it correctly first.
yes, but that made me slow and hesitant.
So what changed?
I started accepting that my English didn't need to be perfect.
You let go of perfection.
I let go. I started speaking even when I wasn't sure, even when I might make mistakes.
And that helped?
It helped a lot, because when you stop worrying about perfection, you start speaking more naturally.
The pressure goes away.
The pressure goes away, and your brain can focus on communication instead of translation.
Let's practice some sentences. Everyone, repeat after us.
I don't translate anymore.
I think directly in English.
English feels natural now.
My brain doesn't need to work as hard.
Good. Let's continue.
So, consistent practice and letting go of perfection. What's the third thing?
The third thing is harder to explain.
Try.
I started living in English, not just studying it.
Living in it?
Yes, I changed everything in my life to English.
Like what?
My phone language, English. My computer, English. The shows I watched, the books I read, the music I listened to, everything became English.
Total immersion.
Total immersion. Even though I was still in my own country, I created an English environment.
That must have been difficult at first.
It was. Sometimes I didn't understand settings on my phone. Sometimes I got confused.
But you kept it in English.
I kept it in English because I knew this was what I needed.
And it worked?
After about 3 months of living like this, I noticed something.
What?
I started dreaming in English.
You dreamed in English?
Yes, not every dream, but sometimes. And when I woke up, I would think in English first.
Your brain was switching languages.
My brain was making English automatic, not foreign anymore, just another way of thinking.
That's fascinating.
It is. The brain is amazing.
So, when you had that moment at the coffee shop, answering the woman automatically, it was because of all this preparation.
Exactly. 3 years of daily practice, 3 months of total immersion. My brain was ready.
It just needed time.
It needed time and the right conditions.
What happened after that day? Did you always speak without translating?
Not always. Some days were better than others.
So it wasn't permanent immediately.
No. That's important to understand. That moment was the first time, but it wasn't the last time I translated.
You still translated sometimes?
Sometimes, yes. When I was tired, when I was nervous, when the topic was difficult.
But it got easier over time.
Much easier. That first moment showed me it was possible, and gradually it happened more and more often
until it became the norm.
until it became normal. Now, about 90% of the time, I don't translate.
What about the other 10%?
The other 10% is when I'm learning new complex vocabulary or discussing very technical topics.
So even now, you occasionally translate.
Occasionally, yes, and I think that's okay.
It doesn't have to be all or nothing.
Exactly. People think you either translate or you don't, but it's more like a spectrum,
A gradual shift.
a gradual shift from always translating to rarely translating.
That makes it feel more achievable.
It is achievable for everyone.
Mark, what advice would you give to someone who's still translating in their head?
First, be patient with yourself.
Patient?
Yes, this process takes time. It took me 3 years. It might take you 2 years or 4 years. Everyone is different.
Don't expect it to happen overnight.
Don't expect it overnight, or even in a few months.
What else?
Second, practice thinking in English, even simple thoughts.
Like what?
Like, I'm hungry, or I'm tired, or what time is it? Think these thoughts in English instead of your language.
Start with simple thoughts.
Very simple. Then gradually make them more complex.
That's practical.
Third, don't aim for perfect translations. Aim for communication.
Communication over perfection.
Yes, if you can get your message across, even with mistakes, that's success.
The goal is understanding, not perfection.
Exactly. Fourth, create an English environment around you,
Immersion, even at home.
even at home. Phone in English, shows in English, books in English. Surround yourself.
Let me practice more sentences.
I am patient with my progress.
I think simple thoughts in English.
I focus on communication, not perfection.
I surround myself with English.
Very good.
Mark, do you think everyone will have a moment like yours, that coffee shop moment?
I don't know. Maybe some people's transition is so gradual, they don't notice a specific moment.
It just happens slowly?
It might. For me, there was a clear moment. But everyone's journey is different.
The important thing is that it does happen eventually.
Yes, if you keep practicing, keep immersing yourself, it will happen.
How will people know when it happens?
You'll know. You'll catch yourself thinking or speaking in English without planning it.
It'll surprise you.
It'll surprise you, and it'll feel amazing.
I can't wait for that feeling.
You'll get there, Sarah. I believe that.
Thank you for sharing your story.
Thank you for listening. This memory is very special to me.
I can tell. The way you talk about it, I can feel how important it was.
It changed my relationship with English. Before that moment, English was something I studied. After that moment, English became something I lived.
That's a beautiful way to put it.
It's the truth.
Let's review vocabulary now.
Word 1. Translate. To convert words from one language to another.
I used to translate every sentence in my head.
Word 2. Automatically. Happening without conscious thought.
The answer came out automatically.
Word 3. Exhausting. Making you very tired.
Translating all the time was exhausting. Word 4. Immersion. Being completely surrounded by something.
Total immersion in English helped me.
Word 5. Spectrum. A range from one extreme to another.
Translation to no translation is a spectrum.
Word 6. Achievable. Able to be accomplished.
Thinking in English is achievable for everyone. Useful phrases now.
Phrase 1. Let go of. To stop holding or controlling.
I let go of perfectionism.
Phrase 2. Turning point. A moment when significant change happens.
That day was a turning point.
Phrase 3. Get across. To communicate successfully.
I got my message across.
Phrase 4. Catch yourself. To notice yourself doing something.
You'll catch yourself thinking in English.
Practice questions.
Question 1. Do you translate in your head when you speak English?
Question 2. What percentage of the time do you translate? All the time? Half the time?
Question 3. Have you ever spoken English without planning it first?
Question 4. What will you change today to create more English immersion?
Good questions.
Mark, before we finish, I want to ask one more thing.
Sure.
If you could go back and tell yourself something 3 years ago, when you were still struggling with translation, what would you say?
I would say, keep going.
Keep going?
Keep going. Even when it's hard. Even when you feel like you're not improving. Even when every conversation exhausts you.
Because the moment will come.
Because the moment will come. You won't know when, but it will come.
That's powerful.
And I would say, be kind to yourself. You're doing something difficult. Learning to think in a new language is not easy.
It's one of the hardest things a human can do.
It is. So celebrate small victories. Celebrate the days when you speak just a little more freely.
Every step forward matters.
Every step forward matters.
Everyone watching, Mark's story shows us something important.
The moment will come. Maybe not today. Maybe not next month. But if you practice consistently, if you immerse yourself, if you let go of perfection,
The moment will come. You'll answer a question without thinking. You'll have a thought in English first. You'll dream in English. And you'll realize you're not translating anymore.
you're just speaking naturally. Finally.
Keep going, everyone. Your moment is coming.
We believe in you.
See you next time.
Keep practicing. Your breakthrough is closer than you think.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.